Is someone introducing you to Crowd1 opportunity? Is he promising you to make good money after investing a small amount of money in the Crowd1 company? If yes, then this is a video you should definitely watch because I'm gonna show you exactly 5 biggest lies of Crowd1, and these lies are destroying many people's career and friendships. Knowing this will help you to know how to deal with it. You'll also be able to know whether the Crowd1 opportunity is for you or not. Stay tuned for more details because that's all I'm going to talk about in this specific video. In case it's your first time on this channel, I'm more than happy to welcome you to my YouTube family. My name is Armstrong Wil, an online entrepreneur, and on this channel, I make videos on different ways to make money online, and I also do share valuable tips on self-development. So consider joining my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button below and by clicking the bell notification so that you get notified whenever a brand new video is out. So without waiting, let's just get started with the 5 biggest lies of Crowd1. Lie number 1, anyone can do it. The first thing you'll probably hear from someone when inviting you to join the Crowd1, he will tell you that anyone can do it, but it's not true. Let me demonstrate why Crowd1 is not for everyone. The first thing you should know is that the main stream of income from Crowd1 is through recruiting people. They actually hide that fact when inviting you for the first time. They'll be like, it's not a must to recruit people. In case you don't like recruiting, there is a plan B. Just upgrade to the silver basic learning for only €299, and then after that, buy the golden extended course for only €799. And then after buying that one, go platinum professional courses for only €2,499. See, they will tell you that's the way to go if you don't like recruiting, which is not true at all. I have a friend who paid up to the Crowd1 Platinum membership, but each and every day after his 9-to-5 job, he always goes meet up people so that he can recruit as many people as he can. Why? Because to make it in Crowd1, you definitely need to build your downline by bringing new people. That's how you make money. So this is not for everyone because some people are just introvert. Some people don't have the talent to communicate effectively for them to convince people to join Crowd1. That's the reason why most of my neighbors lost their very first investment in Crowd1. While recruiting them, they lied to them that Crowd1 is for everyone. They didn't tell them that the main work is bringing people, and then they realized it after paying the first membership fees. Later, they told them to bring at least 2 premium clients so that they can give them their money back, and yesterday, one of them was trying to recruit my wife to see if she can get her money back, but she refused to join because, just like many people in this city, my wife has a particular fire to hate those Crowd1 recruiters because they recruited her before and she didn't like it. Seriously, if you're a Crowd1 member, there is nothing wrong with recruiting because it's a business model, just like other business models out there. But explain to people the truth while inviting them to join Crowd1. Stop lying to them that everyone can do it because it's not true. In case you're a Crowd1 experienced member, I know your heart is my witness. This city is full of Crowd1 recruiters simply because newcomers fund the old Crowd1 members. When you're young and ambitious and want to become an entrepreneur, they will use all the right words to essentially trick you and make you think that it's an entrepreneurial venture you're getting into by joining Crowd1. It is not. The truth is, by joining them, you're simply becoming a commission-only sales agent with limited support. Your training will come from someone as almost experienced as you are, and most of the recruiters find themselves lying in order to convince people to join. Here is what the neighbor told my wife after she refused to join her downline. Crowd1 has been around for 30 years now. Are you the one who's coming to shut it down or what? Do you know John bought a house yesterday for $50,000 and he's driving a brand new Range Rover Sport, and imagine he joined Crowd1 3 months ago. In fact, he was homeless 3 months ago. This is a very big lie. Crowd1 has not been around for 30 years, and I'm even doubting if the ex-homeless John exists. Lie number 2, you got a business. They will tell you by joining Crowd1, you'll start your own stable business online, but it's a lie. You don't own the business, you don't even own the website. unless you're the founder of Crowd1. Otherwise, you're just a recruiter, a consumer, and you don't really own anything. I know in the comment section below, some people will be like, Armstrong, what are you talking about? What about YouTube? You got a YouTube channel and you don't own the YouTube platform, man. You better shut up, bro. Yeah, I know some people will say like that, but it's really different. This channel is connected to my own website that I host wherever I want, and I have an email list too. Most of you, my loyal subscribers, know it because I usually communicate with you. By the way, if you're new here and would like to join my email list so that you can ask me questions about business at any time, then find the first link in the video description below and sign up for my email list today. So getting started with Crowd1 does not mean you own a business, because most of the people who start these companies are highly successful entrepreneurs on an international level, and here is what they do. They start the business in Europe, for example, and then when recruiting is over in Europe, they go to Africa. After Africa, they just go to India, the Philippines, the United States, South America, and more. Then once the thing is popular all over the world, they just shut it down and then start a new one. Same business model but different name and approach. Crowd1 has been in a pre-launch mode since July 2016 till today. No one knows why the company stays in the pre-launch mode for that long. Those who join when the thing gets started are the ones who get rich, but all of the innocent people who come later fund the early comers and they lose everything in the process. So if you decide to join, keep in mind that you don't own the business, and that way you will invest in Crowd1 carefully. Line number 3. It's easy. If someone has tried to recruit you to join Crowd1, you probably know how much they try to make it sound smooth and easy money. But it's not true, simply because of the fact that the main way to earn from Crowd1 is by recruiting people that can afford to buy those memberships. And what you should know is that those who are making good money with Crowd1 are those who are already on the top of the pyramid scheme. And for you to make it and start making money, you won't do it on a part-time basis as they lied to you when trying to recruit you. No way. You will work on a full-time basis. You will have to organize home parties, invite your people to come to drink and eat so that you can introduce to them the opportunity. If you're not careful, you'll end up spending a lot of money that you won't even be able to get back, because each and every time you invite someone for lunch or drink, you're likely the one to pay the bills, because obviously you're the one who invited him in order to introduce to him or her the new opportunity. Only a few people will join you, but 99% of them will tell you that they need time to go and think about the opportunity. And then after that, they will block you on all social media platforms, because most people have bad past experiences with mid-level marketing companies. So they hate them with passion. Believe it or not, if you decide to join Crowd1 as an active member, be ready to lose most of your valuable potential friends, colleagues, and family. By the time they will realize that each and every time you meet, you only tell them to join Crowd1, they will see you like someone who wants to take advantage of them. They will be afraid of you. They won't wish to meet you again. It will be like someone with HIV back in the 80s when AIDS was very popular. Is that the kind of life you want to live in? Do you even think it's a good business model for you? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to hear your opinions. The more you meet people, the more you will spend your own money buying airtime or credit for communication, gas if you have a car, time and energy. So it's not as easy as they say when inviting you. Don't believe their sweet words. Join knowing that for you to see any success, you're gonna work hard just like any other business out there. Line number 4. Chances of succeeding are high. That's exactly what they will tell you when inviting you to Crowd1 for the first time. They will tell you that even if you don't have any prior experience, you'll make it to the top and start making thousands of euro in weeks. But if you are already in Crowd1, just check the people who are making good money, all of them. They are already high-skilled professionals, most likely with big connections already. Most of them are public speakers in one way or another, educated pastors, medical doctors, politicians, university tutors, And it's normal for these people to make money from Crowd1 because they have high income skills and they can make it at any industry. But if you're not a highly skilled person, chances of making good money from Crowd1 are not high as they told you. Instead, you should first invest in yourself by educating yourself, learn a real skill that can solve real problems, which leads to endless success. Line number 5. The amount of money you can possibly make from Crowd1. Most of the cases, they always talk about that one person in 1,000 folks who made $20,000 or whatever it is in the system. But if you ask them what the average Crowd1 member earns, you won't probably get any response. I hope these 5 lies helped you to know whether Crowd1 is for you or not. And in case you like the hidden truth behind the company, be sure to like this video guys. Click the like button below so that many people will be able to see this video to make an educated decision whether they should join Crowd1 or not. In case you haven't connected with me on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter or Facebook, be sure to connect with me at Armstrong Wil. That's actually my username. And if you haven't joined my YouTube family yet, join right now by clicking the red subscribe button below and by clicking the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Thanks a lot beautiful people for watching the video to the end. Don't forget to check the video description below for more details, and bye. See you at self development.